This is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L wheelchair accessible van featuring a BraunAbility automatic side entry conversion. With the push of a button, the passenger side door opens and the automatic fold-out ramp deploys, giving wheelchair and power chair users quick and convenient access. This Pacifica has 67,300 miles and features a comfortable black leather interior with plenty of room for everyday transportation. One of the biggest highlights is the driver's side turnout seat, which rotates outward to help make transfers into and out of the driver's position easier. Under the hood is Chrysler's 3.6-liter V6, giving you the smooth ride and performance you'd expect from a Pacifica. So if you're looking for a wheelchair accessible van that combines comfort, style, and BraunAbility accessibility, this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L is definitely worth a look. Check it out today at AutoMobilityStore.com or give us a call for more information.